Getting blackheads can be a real pain. Though they are most common in individuals with really oily skin, they can happen to anyone. Anytime sweat, dirt and oil clog our pores, a blackhead is very likely to develop. Here are 7 tips to help get rid of blackheads naturally. 1. Avoid alcohol-based face cleansers and toners. Most facial cleansers, especially those used to help treat acne, often have some form of alcohol as its main ingredient. Alcohol-based cleansers can be effective at times in cleaning your face, but the problems comes from the excessive drying alcohol causes. When alcohol is applied to the skin, especially often and in large amounts, initial over-drying often occurs. To help compensate, our face produces excess oils to try and keep up. So use alcohol-based facial cleansers sparingly if at all. 2. Use a skin brush daily. Skin brushes, unlike loofah pads, can be a great way to gently remove dead skin from the face and help to keep pores open. This can really help to prevent the pores from becoming clogged with blackhead causing oil, dirt and sweat. 3. Use a clay mask weekly. Clay masks have been around forever and can be an effective yet inexpensive way to get rid of and prevent blackheads. Simply Google homemade clay masks and tons of options will pop up. Most clay masks work to not only cleanse the face, but can also help to shrink actual pore size, which will prevent blackheads from ever forming. 4. Use only non-comedogenic products. Non-comedogenic is just a fancy word for non-pore clogging. One product known to clog pores due to its high oil content is avocado. If you already have oily skin, try to avoid things like avocado on your face, and even eating too much oil can contribute to blackheads developing. 5. Remove makeup before bed. This one ties into number 4 in that make sure, besides using only non-comedogenic products, be sure to remove those products from your face before going to bed. Our faces need time to breathe, especially our pores. So avoid the likelihood of getting blackheads by washing your makeup off before bed. 6. Honey. Honey is naturally great for so many things, to include your skin. With its antibacterial and antimicrobial effects, honey is a good thing to keep around the house. A simple and effective way to get rid of blackheads is to apply raw honey to a freshly cleansed face. Apply honey to the affected areas and allow to sit for 15 minutes or so. Wash the honey off and continue with your normal skincare routine. 7. Lemon juice. Lemon juice can be a great option to remove blackhead causing excess oil from your face. Simply use a Q-tip or cotton ball and dab a small amount of lemon juice to blackhead-prone areas, which for most people are the forehead and cheeks. You can leave the lemon juice on your face overnight and wash off in the morning. If this is your first time to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button.